hydraulic press channel. Today we have this big book for our press. I choose this book because I don't need it anymore, so I can press it to pieces, or what the hell would happen to book under our press. Let's see. And here we go. We managed to punch hole in the cover of the book, but we need a smaller tool to finish that book off. So the book managed to survive first try, but now I machined this smaller steel parts between the press and book, so now I have much more pressure against book since my pressing area is much smaller. Let's see. So we decided to use this smaller steel part to finish the book off, which went very well. I'm not sure did my main camera survive to record all that because it fell off, and my slow motion camera was on that plate, which was on this steel beam, and I had full pressure of the press, so the whole frame of the press was bent slightly, and when the pressure released when the book exploded, this one jumped up, throwing the steel plate and slow motion camera away, and it also threw my blast shield away because it was hanging on these pins right there, and I didn't close these because I didn't think that the book is very dangerous, so my blast shield fell off and there was awful noise and mayhem. but the book exploded very well. Yeah, I think that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. And for today's extra content, we have this crocodile. The crocodile is already eating somebody, and I think that we are too late to save that man. But the crocodile may attack at any time, at least when he has finished that man. So we must deal with it. I think I can save the guy. Oh no, he's gone.